Best laptop for photo editing. Looking for the best laptop for photo editing? I've selected the top-performing models that all boast a high color coverage display that's vital for photographers and designers. For the best MacBook Pro for photo editing, the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch M4. Seriously impressed during review. For starters, it boasts a color-accurate display, rendering in wide color P3 gamut. So what you see on screen is exactly what you get in the exports. It also comes equipped with the M4 Pro processor. When we tested Photoshop and Lightroom on it, performance felt positively seamless. In this vid-ep, we'll explore the 5 best laptop for photo editing available today, comparing performance, build quality, features, and value to help you find the perfect machine for your professional needs. Number 5. The Asus ProArt P16H7606 is a powerful creator-focused laptop, perfect for photo and video editing. The latest version upgrades performance with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070, making it ideal for handling mixed creative workloads like Photoshop, Lightroom, and Premiere Pro. In real use, it performs smoothly across most editing tasks. While thumbnail rendering in Adobe Bridge can be slightly slow, image editing in Photoshop is fast and reliable, with no issues in tasks like focus stacking or file transfers. Its biggest highlight is the stunning 4K OLED display, offering 100% DCI, P3 color accuracy, and Pantone validation, essential for professional photo editing. A 3K option exists, but the 4K version is the better choice for precise color work. The built-in dial pad also enhances workflow, allowing easier control for adjustments like brush size and editing tools. Overall, it's an excellent alternative to MacBook Pro for creatives who want power, precision, and flexibility. Overall, if you're working across mediums, this is an ideal laptop for Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom, as well as Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. Number 4. The Dell 16 Premium is a powerful and premium laptop built for professionals and creatives. With its sleek aluminum design, it offers both durability and a modern look, making it ideal for work and creative tasks. It comes with excellent display options, including a 2K screen with 100% sRGB or a stunning 4K OLED panel with 100% DCI, P3, delivering highly accurate colors for photo and video editing. Performance is a major highlight, with high-end RTX graphics that handle demanding tasks like rendering and editing with ease, even outperforming some competitors in GPU-heavy workloads. Connectivity is solid, featuring Thunderbolt 4 ports, a microSD slot, and a headphone jack. However, battery life is its main downside, lasting just over 5 hours with the OLED model. Overall, it's a high-performance, versatile laptop perfect for creators who prioritize power over battery life. Number 3. The HP Victus 15 is a strong mid-range laptop that offers excellent performance for its price. It can be configured with powerful processors like a 14th Gen Intel Core, i7 or AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS, making it suitable for both gaming and productivity tasks. A key highlight is its dedicated GPU, which boosts performance in demanding workloads such as video editing, AI-based photo editing, and modern games. Despite its affordable positioning, it handles multitasking and creative applications smoothly without major slowdowns. The design is simple and practical, focusing on usability rather than flashy looks. It also features an efficient cooling system with dual fans and extra vents to maintain stable performance during heavy use. Number 2. The Razer Blade 16 2025 is a premium powerhouse designed for both gaming and creative professionals. It comes equipped with high-end NVIDIA RTX graphics, up to RTX 5090, making it perfect for demanding tasks like video editing, rendering, and AI-based tools such as denoise and generative fill. Performance is top-tier, handling multitasking and heavy creative workloads with ease. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 370 processor, delivering excellent speed and efficiency for both work and gaming. One of its standout features is the OLED QHD Plus display, with 100% DCI, P3 color coverage, and Calman verified accuracy, ensuring precise and vibrant visuals. Ideal for photographers and designers. The design is sleek and minimalist, with a premium all-black build that feels solid and high-end. While it comes at a high price, the combination of performance, display quality, and build makes it worth it. Overall, it's an excellent choice for creators who also want top gaming performance. Number 1. The Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch M4 Pro remains one of the best laptops for photo editing and creative work. It features a stunning 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with excellent brightness, deep contrast, and highly accurate colors, including full P3 gamut support. Perfect for photographers and designers. Powered by the M4 Pro chip, it delivers exceptional performance, handling demanding apps like Photoshop and Premiere Pro with ease. Even during heavy multitasking and intensive editing, it runs smoothly without noticeable slowdowns. The large screen size is especially useful for detailed work, giving you more space for editing and timelines. While it comes at a premium price and offers limited ports, these are small trade-offs considering its overall performance and display quality. Overall, it's a top-tier choice for professionals who need power, precision, and a best-in-class display for creative workflows.